How to change theme in Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. And then click on the three dots at the top right corner. And from the given list, click on Settings. And here from the account information section, click on account management. And the third option here, you will see it says app theme, so click on it. And here basically you will have three options. You will have the first one, which is the system default, meaning that the Pinterest theme will follow and adapt to whatever theme your phone is set to, whether it's day theme or the dark night theme. The second option is the light theme, which means that Pinterest app will always be on light mode no matter what your phone theme is. And the third option is the dark mode, which means that the Pinterest app will always be on the night dark mode even if your phone is set to light day mode. So pick and choose whichever theme you want and suits you best. And that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Pinterest theme. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.